Welcome to the Global Commerce Academy, where accounting and technology converge. The world is generating data at an unprecedented rate. Every transaction, every market shift, every customer interaction leaves a digital trace. For certified management accountants, this data is a goldmine of insights. Data analytics is now the essential language of business, a must-have skill for financial professionals driving strategy. The CMA role is evolving. We're no longer just bookkeepers, but strategic partners who turn raw data into actionable intelligence. Analytics empowers us to uncover trends, answer deeper questions, and provide the insights executives need to stay competitive. Embracing analytics isn't just about technology, it's about enhancing our impact and foresight. Data is the raw material of modern business, but its value is unlocked only through analytics. Finance teams must transform endless spreadsheets into clear stories that explain what happened, why, and what's next. This shift separates reactive finance from proactive strategic leadership. In this guide, we'll demystify analytics for CMAs from key concepts to practical tools. We'll explore real-world applications in budgeting, forecasting, and fraud detection. We'll tackle challenges like data quality and new skill requirements. Our goal to give you a roadmap for integrating analytics into your work and leading your organization confidently into a data-driven future. What is data analytics? It's the science of examining raw data to draw meaningful conclusions. For a CMA, it's about moving beyond reporting numbers to understanding the story behind them. Analytics helps us answer critical business questions with evidence, not guesswork. Historically, our insights were financial and backward-looking. Analytics expands our toolkit to include customer behavior, operations, and market trends. This broader view lets us identify cost savings, revenue drivers, and risks with greater accuracy. Analytics transforms finance from a cost center to a value creator. Its power lies in revealing patterns and anomalies invisible to the naked eye. Imagine finding a single fraudulent transaction among millions. Analytics does this in seconds. Forecasting sales for a new product? Analytics models scenarios for more reliable predictions. For CMAs, mastering analytics is key to staying relevant and influential. It's about making smarter, faster decisions, replacing I think with I know. We become interpreters of business health, not just record keepers. By embracing analytics, we provide forward-looking guidance that drives organizations toward their goals. Data analytics comes in 4 types, each answering a unique question. Descriptive analytics, what happened, summarizes historical data, think financial reports and dashboards. Diagnostic analytics, why did it happen, digs into causes behind results like investigating budget variances. Predictive analytics, what is likely to happen, uses past data and algorithms to forecast outcomes, future sales, payment risks, and more. Prescriptive analytics, what should we do about it, recommends actions based on predictions, like optimizing pricing or cash flow strategies. Each type builds on the last, moving from understanding the past to shaping the future. For CMAs, mastering this progression turns data into a strategic tool. It's not just about reporting, it's about guiding decisions that drive business performance. Analytics empowers finance teams to be proactive, not just reactive. This is the foundation of modern strategic management accounting. To unlock analytics, financial professionals need the right tools. It starts with Excel, familiar, flexible, and perfect for basic analysis and quick insights. As data grows, tools like Power BI and Tableau step in, connecting multiple sources and creating interactive dashboards. These platforms let CMAs visualize trends and share insights organization-wide. SQL is essential for accessing and managing data in corporate databases, giving analysts independence and speed. With SQL, you can extract, join, and filter data without waiting for IT. For advanced analytics, programming languages like Python and R are game changers. Python's libraries, Pandas for data, scikit-learn for machine learning, make it a finance favorite. R excels at complex statistical modeling. Learning to code unlocks predictive and prescriptive analytics, from forecasting to fraud detection. The right toolkit transforms CMAs into data-driven leaders. Start simple, then scale up as your needs and skills grow. Mastering these tools is key to delivering real business value. Data analytics revolutionizes every corner of the finance department. In budgeting and forecasting, analytics turns static processes into dynamic, intelligent planning. By analyzing historical and external data, CMAs create more accurate, resilient forecasts. Predictive models simulate scenarios, preparing businesses for uncertainty. In fraud detection, machine learning flags suspicious transactions in real time, protecting assets and reputation. Analytics enhances investment analysis, evaluating risks and returns across multiple variables for smarter capital allocation. Day-to-day operations benefit too. Predictive models identify late payment risks, improving cash flow and working capital. From strategy to routine tasks, analytics empowers finance teams to work smarter and drive better outcomes. The result: reduced risk, increased efficiency, and greater value for the business. Analytics is the engine of modern finance transformation. Analytics is only as good as the data behind it. CMAs draw from internal sources, ERP systems, CRM, supply chain, HR, and enrich analysis with external data like market trends and economic indicators. The key is knowing which sources matter for each business question and integrating them effectively. Data quality is critical. Accurate, complete, consistent, and timely data is non-negotiable. Most raw data is messy, missing values, duplicates, errors, so cleaning and preparation are essential. Up to 80% of analytics work is data prep, but it's vital for trustworthy insights. Strong data governance, clear policies, defined responsibilities, and quality standards ensures reliable information. CMAs play a key role as stewards of financial data, championing high standards. By prioritizing data quality, we enable confident, data-driven decisions across the organization. Reliable data is the foundation of effective analytics. The analytics journey isn't without obstacles. Poor data quality and disconnected silos make reliable analysis difficult. Overcoming this requires strong data governance and investment in data preparation. The skills gap is another challenge. Finance teams need data literacy, not just accounting expertise. Continuous learning and professional development are essential. Resistance to change is common. Building a data-driven culture takes leadership and clear communication. Demonstrating value through small wins helps drive adoption. Choosing the right tools matters. Start with business needs, not technology hype. Begin with familiar tools, then scale up as skills and needs evolve. With the right approach, these challenges become opportunities for growth. With analytics, power comes ethical responsibility. Data privacy is paramount. CMAs must protect sensitive information and comply with regulations like GDPR. Only collect and use data for legitimate business purposes. Bias in algorithms is a real risk. Models trained on biased data can perpetuate unfairness. Analysts must test for and mitigate bias, ensuring fairness and equity. Transparency matters. Complex models shouldn't become black boxes. In finance, explainability is crucial for trust and compliance. Develop explainable AI techniques to clarify model decisions. Ethical data handling builds trust with stakeholders. Be transparent about data use and accountable for model outcomes. Prioritize privacy, security, and fairness in every analysis. For CMAs, these principles extend our commitment to integrity and confidentiality. Upholding ethics is essential for long-term success and reputation. Data analytics redefines the certified management accountant's role. We're now strategic partners, using data to shape the organization's future. Instead of static reports, we build dynamic models and real-time dashboards. The value lies in interpreting data, telling compelling stories, and recommending clear actions. CMAs blend financial acumen with analytical skills, bridging business and data. Consider a retail company with declining margins. A data-driven CMA pinpoints unprofitable products and recommends targeted solutions, not blanket cuts. This is the future. CMAs at the heart of decision-making, driving growth and mitigating risk. To thrive, we must embrace continuous learning and curiosity, challenge the status quo with data, and ask the right questions. Developing analytics skills elevates both our careers and the finance function. We become indispensable partners in value creation. The future belongs to those who lead with data. Let's shape it together.